Hello and welcome to Wonderwisey. My name is Soham and today we are going to talk about Kaguya-sama Love is War manga chapter 211. Now even though this particular chapter does not pick up right after we left with chapter 209, but still it addressed some of the major things that we have been seeing so far, and things are looking very interesting right now, and we are finally about to enter into the endgame of the series. But before that, if you're new here, then please consider subscribing to the channel since I do weekly anime and manga related content. We're also trying to hit 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2020, so a like and sub would be massively appreciated. Now onto the video. So this particular chapter marks the starting of the new school year, and Kaguya, Shirogane and the others have managed to enter the third year now after all the shenanigans that they have been through. It's unfortunate that we are yet to see the direct fall off of the words that Kaguya said at the end of chapter 209 and how exactly Shirogane reacted to all of this and what is his plan of action moving forward. We have not seen all of that yet, but I'm pretty sure that we will get a flashback sequence to all of this in the near future of the series. And Kaguya is currently very scared because she is thinking of the possibility that whether she and Shirogane will be staying in the same class or not, and she's very scared about all of this. And there are some very good interactions with Hayasaka here, of course, and to be honest, the character interactions throughout the entire chapter was very nice. I am not getting into each and every details that have been shown here because there's a very important part that I would like to devote my time more, and I'll get to it in a bit. But for now, two new characters have been introduced into the story, and it is revealed to us that all the major characters of the show are actually into the same class, and it is once again MVP Principal who has done all of this together. He outright admits the fact that yes, Miss Shinomiya is going to require all the support that she needs in the times that are about to come, and this is because he is well aware of the Shinomiya family and he knows that things are about to go sour in the near future because of Shirogane's involvement. So this was a really nice moment in my opinion, and of course the principal is just MVP material. I'm not even lying about this. But anyway, as I said, there are two new characters that have been introduced into the story. First is Class 2A's Koromo Shiranui, who will be in the same class as Ishigami and Miko, and on the other hand we have Shindo, who has arrived into Kaguya's class. But the most important bit of this particular chapter is the arrival of another character, a character which we have seen previously in the show but now has rose to the prominence, and that is Maki's twin Mikado Shijo. Now this is a very important thing, and Shirogane is really surprised by seeing Mikado, and this was a really nice moment in my opinion. And of course now the question is whether he will be an antagonist or will he be a support to the regular cast. Now here there are some things which I want to talk about. If you don't remember who Mikado actually is, he is the twin brother of Maki, and he was properly introduced into the story in the India arc, but even before that we were actually introduced to him in one particular major Easter egg, and that was found in Shirogane's room. Among all these posters, there was one particular poster as well which stated that beat Mikado. And this is a very important detail because Mikado was the person who was ranked number 1 in the national test, and he's the person who surpassed Shirogane, and that is the reason why Shirogane came second. So he's been touted as this particular rival, and that is why a lot of fans are thinking that he might be a major foe or an antagonist in the story moving forward. Moreover, another reason being the fact that he is actually a member of the Shinomiya clan's branch family, that is the Shijo family. Moreover, there is another classical reference or a classical allusion to all of this because Mikado is actually the original character who became the husband of Princess Kaguya in the actual Bamboo Cutter Kaguya story. So a lot of people are connecting these 2 points and making it the fact that he might become the eventual rival of Shirogane in his pursuit of love. But I personally tend to believe that he will not turn out to be a foe, and he will be a major asset or a major force in Kaguya and Shirogane's relationship. He will be the person who will bring a much needed stability to the show, and he will be a very big help for the main cast of the series. Anyway, this was my opinion about this, and I will potentially make another video, a follow-up video to all of this if you guys are interested about it. So please mention your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you guys think about Mikado, and what do you think the story is moving forward to? Because we are obviously entering into the end game, and this is possibly the last major arc of this particular series. So please mention your thoughts in the comment section below. So that's it for today guys. This was Kaguya-sama Love is War chapter 211. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more. We are once again trying to hit 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2020, so a like and sub would be massively appreciated. With that being said, this is Wonderwisey, and I'll see you soon in the next video.